Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable name drop on your iPhone. So with iOS 17 we just got a new feature called name drop, where you place two phones on each other and then they will share their contact information with each other. However, if you want to disable this because maybe your phone needs to go in somewhat of a pocket or something when you're at school and it will just automatically share contact information with everyone, then here's how you can simply disable this. So literally all you need to do is open your settings app on your iPhone and then you need to scroll down and click on general. Then right here you want to make sure to click on airdrop, and then you will have this feature right here called bringing devices together, and it will say easily swap numbers with name drop. So what you simply want to do is you want to make sure to disable bringing devices together, and then name drop will be disabled. So that's how you can disable name drop on your iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.